In this video, I want to show you how to activate your IBM Bluemix Free account. You can access to the website at this web address. I have already listed this web address in eCollege. If you cannot remember the web address, simply go to Google and then type in IBM Bluemix. And then scroll down the list and find this one with web address console.ng.bluemix.net, and then hit this link. You will go to the same website you are seeing here. Once you log on this website, click on Create a Free Account. IBM provides 30-day free trial to users. This is long enough for this class. Next, you want to register an IBM ID. The process is very simple. Create a new email address, and then type in the email address, fill this form, and then click Create Account. It's pretty simple, very similar to other websites, so I will not repeat the registration process here. By the way, if you have used the IBM system at your previous companies, your previous work, you probably have already created an IBM ID. If you see some information like your email is already taken, just create a new email address and then use the new email to register as your IBM ID. Once you log in the IBM Bluemix system, when you use the system for the first time, you need to set up the system first. First, you want to create an organization. Here, choose US source in the first drop-down list. In the second box, you want to create a name for your organization. Just choose the first blue ID. This is my particular organization name. You have your own organization name, so choose the first one, and then click Create. Next, you want to create a space. A space is like a web server. It will receive the user's request in the future. We want to choose DEV. Click on DEV and then click Create. And then hit the I'm ready button. This is the IBM Bluemix interface. This is for developers. In the future, we will be using catalog a lot. So remember this button here, catalog. Let's take a look at the catalog. It has all kinds of application development tools. Let's take a look at this category. You can create the cloud-based applications. You can also create mobile-based applications, big data database, and so on by using the catalog application. For our chatting app example, we'll be using a function called NodeRed function. You can scroll down the catalog category and then find the NodeRed under apps, under this category. Scroll down a little bit and then you will find the NodeRed function. If you think it's difficult to find the NodeRed function, you can use the search function on the web page. If you are using a Windows PC, you can press Ctrl and the F key on your keyboard at the same time, and then you can have the search function on the web page. And then type in node-red, and then the web page will direct you to this function button directly. We'll be using NodeRed Starter. NodeRed is a web application that accepts the developer's codes, programming codes. So let's click on NodeRed Starter. Now you need to create a name for this application. You can use any name. Be cool, be unique, be creative. As long as there is no space, no special symbol in this application name. Let's say mine is Ball 2017 Cool Chat. This is my application name. In the future, the user will use this application name to look for your chatting app on the internet. They will type in Ball 2017 coolchat.mybluemix.net/chat to find this chatting app. Of course, you will have your particular application name, and then users will type your name to find your app. Make sure there's no space, no special symbol in this application name. And then click the Create button. And then you will see your application is being generated. By the way, because IBM Bluemix is very popular among companies, sometimes you will find the application generation process is very long. It takes a lot of time. Just be patient. And then you will see this circle is rotating. This means your application is being generated in the IBM Bluemix system. Now you can see your application is running. That means the web space is ready for your application. Next, we want to click IBM Bluemix, this title in the upper left corner, to go back to the home page. Click on IBM Bluemix, and then you will see the home page. It shows all available applications you are currently working on. Scroll down the list and find all apps. Here you want to click this Open URL button. Click Open URL. If you find some error message like 404 not found, this is just some bugs in the current IBM Bluemix system. Just go back and then click the Restart button to restart your application again, to make sure you have this application on the web space. And then if you see your application is running, you can click this Launch or Open URL button again. Click Open URL. You will find this NodeRed editor. Click Go to your NodeRed Flow editor. Click on this button. This is the NodeRed developer interface. You can start writing codes into this interface. But in this class, you are not required to write your own codes. I just want you to be familiar to the IoT application development process. You can download the programming codes from the lab instruction. I already uploaded the lab instruction on eCollege. You can download from there. I also listed the lab instruction download link in the comment section below. You can click the link and then find the lab instruction. Let's go to the lab instruction. This instruction shows the same process as this video shows you. I want you to open this instruction by using Word software, Microsoft Word software. Let's open this lab instruction. And then I want you to go to page 4. And then copy the codes in bold. Copy all these codes. And then stop here on page 6. Copy all of these codes. And then go back to the IBM Bluemix system. Go back to the NodeRed developer interface. Click the 3 bars in the upper right corner. Click the 3 bars here, and then click Import. Click Clipboard. Click this function, and then paste the codes you just copied, and then click Import. Next, you will see a bunch of boxes, right? Drag the boxes and then click any area in the middle to drop these boxes into the developer interface. After you drop these boxes off, you will find that the deploy button is available. I want you to click deploy. And then you can see successfully deployed. That means you have already created the chatting app online. Now you can open any web browser to try out the application you just developed. My application name is Ball 2017 Cool Chat, right? This is my application name. You have your own. I ask you to create a creative application name just now. So type in your own application name and then type in a .mybluemix.net/chat. This is the application. This is the chatting application. Now you can send this link to your friends, to your family. They can start chatting with you.